Connecting MailerLite to Paperform can be done in a matter of clicks, so let me show you how. MailerLite is an email marketing platform that allows users to create and send email marketing campaigns. Now, with MailerLite's user-friendly interface and advanced features, users can effortlessly create beautiful and customizable campaigns. By integrating MailerLite with Paperform, you can automatically add your subscribers to your email list, meaning your contacts are going to stay organized and in one place. So if you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts and improve collaboration with your team, why not consider integrating Paperform with MailerLite? Here I have an online subscription form. When a submitter completes the form, I want to create a new subscriber within my MailerLite automatically. It's easy, so let's get into it. So from the form editor, navigate to After Submission, Integrations and Webhooks. Then select MailerLite under the Direct Integrations and select Add a Subscriber. Time to connect your MailerLite account. All right, hit that Add Account button to open a pop-up window and you'll then be prompted to provide an API key. Now, you can select the link provided here to direct you to Integrations tab or just navigate to your MailerLite dashboard and select Integrations, then select Use API. Now, either create a new API token if you don't have one or use a pre-existing one. All we need to do is copy the token there, jump into the pop-up window and paste it. Now, once your account has successfully been connected to Paperform, it's time to set up the integration. All right. Firstly, we need to associate an email address with the subscriber. So what we can do is use the process of answer piping to dynamically display a response from the submitter. Just select the icon to the right of the field we see there, and you'll see a menu appear with the questions of your form, as well as some other information from the form submission. What we can do is simply select the email question there, and now this integration will dynamically pull the submitter's response to the email question. How easy. All right, let us add the other fields here. Now I'm going to leave most of these blank for this example. Also, notice that you have the ability to create conditional logic for when this integration should be actioned, which is great for when you have a particular question. For example, do you agree to being added to my mailing list? And when the submitter answers yes to that, this integration will have the all clear to be actioned. If they say no, then the integration won't trigger. All right, once you're happy with the integration setup, it's time to run a test. However, please ensure that you run a test submission of your form first so the Paperform can test a connection using real data. And boom, it's a success. So if we navigate to MailerLite, there we can see the newly created subscriber. It is that simple. All we need to do now is jump back and select Finish Setup. You can then turn off your integration, edit, delete, duplicate, and look at the history of actions from the Integrations and Webhooks tab. Overall, integrating Paperform with MailerLite can automate your workflows, ultimately leading to improved productivity and better outcomes for your email marketing efforts. Now, if this has been a helpful video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting connections. And let us know in the comments, what apps or tools are you looking to connect to Paperform? Well, good luck and have fun connecting.